How to send or transfer money from Chime to Cash App. So if you want to send or transfer money from Chime to Cash App, then here are some simple steps. The first step is to add your Chime as a debit card, or the second step is to add your Chime as a bank. So what you need to do is simply go with the first step. You need to simply go and add Chime as a debit card. You can go with your Cash App, open up your Cash App, which looks like this, and then go with your profile picture, which will be on the upper right. Simply click on the profile picture and then go with linked banks option. Once you go with linked banks, you will have linked debit card option, and you can go and add your debit card number. So you just need to simply enter your debit card number by month, year, and 3-digit CVV and your zip code. Just enter the fields and go with link card. Once your card is linked, you can return to the main screen of the Cash App by tapping the bank symbol at the bottom of the app. And after that, tap on the dollar amount, which will be on the bottom left, or the bank icon. If you have your iPhone or your iPad, you will see one of these two options in the lower left corner of your Cash App. This shows how much money is in your Cash App account. You can simply go with Add Cash, which will be on the top left corner of your screen. You can also use an ATM to deposit money, or go to 7-Eleven to add money to your Cash App account. Enter how much you want to transfer. If you are not a verified user, you can transfer up to 1,000 per month from your Cash App account. However, if you're over 18 and a verified user, that limit will be increased. Verification can only be done by those over 18 years old with an SSN and a few other legal documents. You can simply go with Add, and that amount that you're adding will appear in the button, so you can catch if you've accidentally entered the amount incorrectly. That's the first step. Or the second step, or the second method, is adding Chime as a bank. Go with the Cash App and go with profile again, go with linked banks, and then go with link bank. After that, you need to enter your debit card number. Linking an external account allows you to move money in and out of your Cash App balance. Enter your Chime bank account details and then go with continue, make a payment, and in this way you'll be able to transfer money from your Chime to your bank account or Cash App. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.